बैठे बोर हुए, करना है कुछ काम, शुरू करो रिव्यू का सिलसिला लेकर क्रिस हेम्सवर्थ का नाम। से माशाअल्लाह फिल्म की ठीक शुरुआत में नजर आएंगे क्रिस हेम्सवर्थ is covered in blood, dragging himself, leg is injured, has a gun in hand, looks into space, खोई से, and you're wondering हमारे मर्द को इतना दर्द क्यों हुआ? Same visuals repeated at the end of the film. By that time, of course, we've got context कि मर्द को दर्द क्यों हो रहा है. But हमें दर्द होगा या मजा आएगा when we'll watch the latest on Netflix called Extraction. Well, that's what I'm supposed to review. My name is Stuti Ghosh. So guys, let's do this.
You're hoping if you spin the chamber enough times, you're gonna catch a bullet.
लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, झाड़ू पोछा बरतते हुए बेचारे एड्रेनलिन जंकीज का बुरा हाल है. So it's only fair that you are going to have expectations from Extraction. After all, the man who's directed it, Sam Hargrave, is also responsible for stunts in films like Captain America: Civil War or Avengers: Endgame. अब Extraction isn't a film about a plot. आप पिक्चर देखोगे आप समझ जाओगे. फॉर्मेलिटी से एक वेफर थिन कुछ इन्होंने बना दिया है. It's a battle between the biggest drug lord of India versus the biggest drug lord of Bangladesh.
This is an extraction.
So who are the players?
Biggest drug lord in India versus biggest drug lord in Bangladesh.
दोनों हुक्म चला के साइड हो जाते हैं क्योंकि सारी मेहनत, सारा कूदना, भागना, चिल्लाना, चीखना, everything is actually being done by Chris Hemsworth and Randeep Hooda. Also Ovi Mahajan, यानी कि young kid played by Rudraksh Jaiswal.
Are you always this brave?
The biggest pull, of course, is the action, and we must talk about it. तो Extraction is based on a graphic novel. और जब आप फिल्म देखते हो ना, especially the action sequences, you just feel it flows like an action video game. कि battle arena set है, सारे physical challenges हैं यहाँ पे, and the players must navigate it and reach the next level. And the ultimate level, of course, is to reach the extraction point. And the thrill is कि जो दोनों players हैं, इनमें से who is loyal to the mission, who wants to do the extraction, and who wants to spoil it. Bang in the middle of the film, the 12-minute long action sequence. In fact, ऐसे कई portions आपको मिलेंगे which are truly arresting. Okay, now the camera work is shaky. You're following these characters. सब कुछ हो रहा है. Car chase, then knife fight, hand-to-hand combat, gun battle. Then there's this whole chase sequence. They're running in this crumbling building, and as Hemsworth with the बच्चा is entering one room, exiting it, आपको एक बॉलीवुड गाना after another सुनाई देता है. मेहंदी लगा के रखना, अखियों से गोली मारनी, लाइक ढाका में है, पर बॉलीवुड यहाँ पे भी पीछा नहीं छोड़ रहा है.
Kid, you trust me?
No.
Good.
फिल्म में ज्यादा कष्ट किसी कैरेक्टर को लेने ही नहीं दिया गया है. पंकज त्रिपाठी शुरू में नजर आते हैं एक ही सीन में, उन्हीं का बच्चा है जो किडनैप हुआ है. Then there is Priyanshu Pinyoli. His character is described as the Pablo Escobar of Dhaka, and it's such a badly written role. I'm going to come to that later. बाकी there is Goldshifteh Farahani, David Harbour. सबका minimum प्रयोग because all focus is on Hemsworth and Hooda. Chris Hemsworth को कुछ ऐसा करते देखा जो कभी इमेजिन ही नहीं किया था. एक लाइन बंगाली की बोली है इन्होंने फिल्म में, where he says Proman Dao, which basically means give me proof. Cinematography adds to the whole atmosphere. So you're going to see lots of these striking aerial shots of the concrete congested landscape that gives you a thrilling topography of the place. And Hooda and Hemsworth, these two men, जिनका 2.5 किलो का हाथ जब एक दूसरे पे पड़ता है, you know, the hand-eye coordination, the precision with which they're firing at each other, you just want to see them fight. That's all. अब इस हाई एक्शन ड्रामा में थोड़े ब्रीदर्स हमें मिलते हैं कि चैन की सांस कैरेक्टर्स भी ले लें और हम भी. Some are these conversations between Hemsworth and the kid played by Rudraksh Jaiswal, and you do get a sense कि दोनों के दिल में कोई दर्द है यार. They both feel lonely, but the film doesn't dwell much on it.
I'll get you home.
Also, Priyanshu Pinyoli, he's supposed to be the main bad guy in the film. And he has no power. It's such a terribly written character. He's just shown busy with these street kids जिनसे वो कोई अपने पैसों के बारे में पूछते रहते हैं. And he does nothing. Like there's nothing scary about Pinyoli's character. And you wonder why no local actor was roped in. Because his accent is all over the place. Extraction के साथ the only problem is that in trying to build up all that action, they forget to do any justice to any of the other characters. मतलब उनके पास काम ही नहीं है फिल्म में. It's all about these 2.5 men, यानी कि हमारे Chris Hemsworth and Randeep Hooda, who do a fab job. You love to see them fight, and the young kid Rudraj Jaiswal, who surprisingly manages to hold his own. 105 minutes की फिल्म है. Extraction is great fun while it lasts. And बाकी तो I think even the makers thought कि action बहुत सारा डाल दो to distract people and they forget कि plot नहीं है, story नहीं है, half the things don't make sense. But I enjoyed the action sequences, so you can definitely watch it. 105 minutes की फिल्म है and it has some almost 14-minute long end credits where they're thanking everyone in their unit and there's an interesting Bangla rap. Well, I'm going to go with a generous 3 quints out of 5 for Extraction. I hope you liked the review. In the comment section, let me know if you want me to review anything else. Also, अपने अच्छे वाले comments लिखना ना भूलें. इस वीडियो को like करें, share करें, Quint को subscribe करें.